Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdygirlreviews, and we are back with another unboxing. This time, a little something fun for Christmas time, which is ideal. If you're very much into vinyl, this is the gift for you. This is Crosley Voyager Plus Record Crate, portable turntable, and record crate bundle. I believe is associated with Bluetooth. But yes, y'all, this is quite the package. I'm very excited. Look at this. This is in the unboxing. As you can see, it has a very vintage feel. Feels very 1970s. It's giving me very Mad Men kind of vibes. So it's the record player and the crate. So if you have a number of records, you can keep them in a nice, tidy, organizational way. So we can see the outside. Very nice. I believe you can get this online. As you can see, it's a 3-speed turntable, built-in Bluetooth, receiver, stereo speakers, RCA output, pitch control, belt-driven, headphone jack, auxiliary in. Yeah. So let's see what this model looks like on the inside. Stay tuned. Okay, so I've been able to cut the tape. See the packaging. Okay. Great Christmas gift, by the way. You know, if you're trying to hear all the classics, all the Nat King Cole's, Fred Astaire, all the classic Christmas carols. Okay, this is a little heavy, so I will be right back because I don't know what I'm pulling out. So, be right back. I was correct in my assumption. It is the crates. I think it's just one, but as you can see, very nice. All right, I need again to pull it out, so be right back. But it has a very woodsy smell. I love that. I really love that. Really digging this. So be right back. So I was able to get a little bit of it off. Very wooden crate. You are getting what you pay for. And it has the one with the actual logo underneath. But I'm not going to assemble this right now. Again, it's just an unboxing. Comes with 4 sides to complete the actual crate. Is just a single crate. And at the end, it should look like this. You know, Crosley. But yeah, nonetheless, let's continue with the unboxing. More Crosley Voyager Turntable instruction manual. I'm sure again, there's plenty of stuff on YouTube. The limited warranty for US and Canada. More packaging. Let's get through that so you can see the actual item. Now, it was a bit of a struggle, but I mean, I know why they do it, to keep it nice and secure. But here is the product, y'all. Wow, she is very beautiful. Look at all that. The volume, the pitch, the actual turntable. Wow, she's a beauty. Crosley. And it comes with an adapter, cord, and I think RCA cables like they mentioned. I'll figure out the instructions, but wow. And look at that. Look at this feel here with the audio, I'm sure, comes out. Man, I haven't had a record player in a very long time, so this is just honestly a beauty. It is available online, and I believe in big brand stores like Marshall's, TJ Maxx. Perfect gift for the holiday season. I really hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. If you like what you see, give us a like, give us a share. If you'd like to follow me here on YouTube, hit the subscription button and notification button. And please click on the link down below for my GoFundMe page. And until next time, y'all, XOXO.